So, what sirens will be going off during the June of 2024 siren test? Well, what to expect for the first time, my sirens will be on the balcony for the first time. Don't mind that, that's just an old picture. Next up, the local T128 near the sports hub will go off as well. Here's a picture. And finally, maybe some Lombard Thunderbolts will also go off. But Lombard's not that far, so is neither is Sports Hub. I'm actually very close to the Sports Hub, so you have a chance that you could hear the T128 nearby. At least get the ambience, of course. So, that's what to expect on June 4th of 2024, the first Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. when the sirens go off. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to record this drive, and it may sound a bit windy because the windows are down by half. So you're just going to drive for a couple of minutes, and we have a red light. I'll pick it up next time. Hello. Alright, so we're back on the road again, and yeah, that's my school right there. It's huge. So there's the water tower right there. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, I'm just giving you a better picture. There's the water tower. Yeah, there's the water tower. It's pretty far out. Yeah. Passing the water tower any moment now. Let me just zoom back closer. The water tower is pretty small compared to other water towers. There's one in Bloomingdale that is like very huge. So, yeah, there's the water tower right there. Oh, here it is. Now, if you want directions to the sports hub, would be on this part of the direction. This part. Well, we're turning left to go home, but if you want to go to the sports hub, you are going to make a right and continue straight for a couple seconds, or maybe
Let's go to Sports Hub.
No. But yeah, that's the sports hub right there, but we're not going there because Bible study. But yeah, I'm also going to show you the balcony. We might as well place it near that sign right there, the Emerald Hills condominium, because we need to hear the siren in order to know that the sirens will be going off, because we can't hear from all the way down on the balcony. That's what to expect. It's just like a short blast on the quarter fire. So the sirens are activated by DoComm. If they're late, well, if the siren, if DoComm is late and they cannot sound off their sirens at approximately 10 a.m., you might as well cancel the test. But that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and this is pretty much what to expect. Thanks for watching.